And Casey's legs. Oh, damn it. Casey, can I have your permission to put your face on videotape?
No. I'm just kidding.
And Casey playing on the laptop.
Over there is little baby Sunshine. Hope she looks at the camera.
I'm trying to eat her fish.
Hi there, Sunshine. You're a pretty baby. And here are her tiny feet.
So she sticks them farther out, like, look at them. Look at them. Well, I guess that's enough. You're not really gonna do anything else, are you? Didn't. Oh. My goodness. She almost cried. She was like, no.